Hi everyone, this is your second lesson this week, and we are going to be working on this essential question and learning objective for your second and third lesson during week 9. Your essential question is, how do narrative elements work together to make an interesting story? And your learning objective is to illustrate your learning of the 7 elements of narrative writing using mind map. You should take this down into your interactive notebook, just as we ordinarily do on a daily basis in our lessons in school. So your first task today is to watch this video. And on Google Classroom in Task 1, it is linked within the material that is available there. Once you watch this video, you can continue to create your own material for Task 2. This is a video that tells you what exactly a mind map is and how to use it to the best of your ability in terms of revising material. Here you have an image of a mind map. It's not like an ordinary brainstorm or a web diagram. It has color, it has pictures, and there are some connecting ideas within the mind map. As you can see at the top here, this arrow connects two separate ideas. And that's what a mind map is about. Creating all the different ideas that you have and bringing them together as one, and also finding connections between different elements of a specific task. So this is a mind map about mind mapping. Here you have a spider diagram. It's a lot different to a mind map. What do you think are the major differences? Of course, yes, one of the major differences is the color and the images. It is far more aesthetically appealing or easier to look at when you use color images and different forms of connecting. Here is another example of a mind map which shows you how to use mind maps. Again, it does illustrate how you should have a central image, okay? You have an image in the middle. So that is something that is similar between the spider diagram and the mind map. So what you would put in the middle is your title or your main focus. So you are going to be working on creating your own mind map based on narrative writing. So in the center of your page, you will have 7 elements of narrative writing or narrative writing. And your branches will be theme, setting, plot, dialogue, characters, characterization, etc. And from that, you will include some different information. So the characteristics of a mind map are a central idea, color, pictures, branches, and of course, organization. It needs to be appealing to the eye and it needs to represent the main focus of your mind map. For you guys, your main focus will be narrative writing. So task 2 for you is going to be create your own mind map. You must illustrate the 7 elements and this is going to be graded. So you will have today's lesson and tomorrow's lesson, so 2 lesson periods, to make sure that you can complete this. Please use color, please use images, and please make sure you include all 7 elements of narrative writing. It is very important for you to remember that your mind map will be graded and that it should illustrate all of the different elements. If you wish to gain higher grades or better marks, you should include examples from different texts that you have studied. For example, if you were to discuss theme, you would write maybe 1 or 2 notes about what theme is, and then you could say, for example, the text of Mice and Men, one of the primary themes is loneliness, friendship, the American dream. And you can continue to do this with lots of different texts that you have. You can even choose films or television programs that you watch regularly. Another example would be, of course, A Midsummer Night's Dream. And you could have setting, and you would put down Athens, Greece. Okay, so all of these things, once you have described what they are, you should give an example so that you are achieving the best grade possible. Okay, so don't forget, these are your 7 elements of narrative writing, and you should include each one of these within your mind map. Explain what they are and then give an example from a text that you have studied. Once again, this will be graded and you should have it handed in by the end of tomorrow's lesson.